Hello everybody, my name is Emmanuel Rocha. I studied bachelor's degree in English as a foreign language. This is my fifth semester. I hope to give my best during this video. The name of this course is Material Design for Virtual Environments. I hope you like it and let's start. I'm gonna talk you about Wiz, the tool Wiz. It's useful for person that wants to have their own page, and we are going to see how we can use it into a classroom for a good uh, in a good way. Okay, I got it here. Wait, in this opportunity we have to take into account I have my own page, my own account. I can log in by means of my Google account, and you can use it creating your own page, your own account. It's just your email, and you have to create your new password for it. So let's see it now. I can show you how to create a new design. That's something, if you want this, if you decide to take into account a principal target or principal class, you can create your own design for it. Is useful in my case for don't be a do not be a longer don't a longer this video. uh, I'm going to show you my page here. I can edit it. TTS as a foreign language, that's something that I was thinking. This page has been online for a long time, so first of all I'm gonna show you how it's working online, and then I'm gonna show you uh, how we can edit it for the principal thinking that you have for. In my opinion, I recommend you to be uh, awareness the student that you have in the classroom for teaching them, and they have a fresh no a fresh tools for acquiring their knowledge. Okay, Lil, how to learn a second language. Okay, beginning. The topic that I choose for it is WH question. It's something that for seventh grade maybe, and it's useful for them. It's practice. They can you as a teacher, how we can use it. If the institution where I am working or you are working has the enough device to use it technological things, you can do it by means of video beams, audios, laptop, and project it in a blackboard, and it will be uh, nice for our student. Welcome to class. This is a page where every student will find some research about WH question, and they enhance their skill. Okay, we can use it into a classroom, and also I can recommend my students for look for in internet, because this is a page that was created by me, by myself, and they will find, if I want that they look for by themselves, how they need to develop an strategy for next class. They can look for it, how to learn a second language, and they will find it. WH question. They will find the information about it. Example also with some picture. How, como. how is he, ¿cómo está él? In the other way, we can to compute the answer at this kind of quest, taking on account the following structure. And they will be able to do it for themselves in their homes or into a classroom as well. Okay, it's nice for them. It's not complicated to use it. Exercise. Okay, this is a part where they can find different exercise to develop if they have gathered the knowledge for it. We can find and also the answer, and they can find videos as well. This video, both videos have been created by myself for the purpose to help our students to develop their skill. Okay, I can show you a little bit about this, but in this video we can find a vocabulary about clothes. That's useful too, because they are learning about WH question, but they will be able to acquire knowledge about clothes. Okay, it's a little short. Okay, reference. They need to know that all information that we acquired come from other sites, and that's will helpful for them, for our students. And I think that it's everything. I show you how we can set it on web, how we can use it, and also to edit it. This another way to do it possible. Wait, it's so complex, this page with, because help us as a tutor in our case, or as a teacher, to be innovate what we want to do in our future as a tutor, because normally our students are able to look for information in other part, in video games, in all the things. If we are in the same level with technological devices, technological tools, ICT, they will feel able to look for in our pages for information, and they will be able to learn English as well, and that's so nice. Okay, we can edit it here. It's just to know the process. It show you how it is organized. Videos, answer, exercise, example. I can change it. Okay, I don't do it because it's well done, right? It's just show you how it is. If I want to change the background of my page, I just have to select one of these, to choose one of these. My case, this page has been created for education, and I don't need it to change it. So here we find a header for every single item on my page or your page. Pictures. If you don't have a picture on web, you can look for it on your laptop. Art. There are different ways to use it. Buttons, boxes, we can get it for if we want to transmit the student to other page. We can use these bots with a link with the other page, and that will useful for it because it show him or show them the diversity of it. Okay, we got it. YouTube, Facebook, we can link our page with these different devices or different social networks. Music also, we can introduce in our page music will be useful for our student. Remember, the process of listening it's through music. If you want to create your own page using music will be awesome because the student look for the information and also will be able to listen uh, music in English, right? Social network, Facebook, Twitter, Google, YouTube. Okay, contact if you want as a teacher that your student look for you on Facebook or other research, you can use this place. Okay, there's many things up here. This market, this okay, it's for a premium maybe different categories. Okay, we saw something like that in the other eating, like picture videos. It show the way that we write on the page, research files if you want to update on your page files. Okay, after that, well, you can write it, you can use it. It gives you the option to say option tools code help if you don't understand about the process of it. Upgrade if you have to pay for a premium way is just to get it on a unlimited, and it will provide you as a teacher or provide me if I acquire this option a new version, new tools for the development of our pages. It help it to be more most professional, right? Okay, it's for soon out, right? Is to delete or to take. Okay, save. I don't want to change anything. Done. It's the option for looking for it in on internet, and that's all. Okay, I just want to set it. eh, Here it is. It is. Welcome to class, dear student. WH question. In this video, maybe it wasn't enough clear for it, but I just wanted to give my best for the explication of it, how we can use it as a teacher, how we can provide this tool for our students that also will be useful for them because they will be able to acquire by themselves, and that's providing the research spirit in our institution. Also, I recommend if the institution uh, don't have the enough devices for to implement this research into a classroom, it's useful that every single teacher have a page with the information for the student, and they will feel the needing the needing to do it by themselves at home. So that has been everything for today. I hope you liked this video. Remember, I am Emmanuel de Jesus Rocha Vergara, and that has been everything for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.